Hi boys and girls, Ms. Calton here with another video on perimeter, but today we're going to be adding a few steps to solving the problems, okay? You guys are doing great with perimeter, so I'm really happy about that. Parents, thank you so much for, sending me their work, and I'm really happy with how this is going. Today's essential question, boys and girls, says how can I find an unknown side lengths when given the perimeter? So we're going to look at shapes today, boys and girls. And so far we've been looking at different polygons and shapes and adding all of the sides to find the total, which is the perimeter. Today we're going to give you the perimeter and then find those missing pieces. So we're going to be kind of working backwards, okay? So your essential question, and then your POD says round 363 to the nearest 100. So there's rules for rounding. So we're rounding 363 to the nearest 100. So let me set this up. I have it in a different spot today. So we know, boys and girls, that perimeter says add all sides to find the total, right? But what happens when we have a total and we're missing one of the lengths? So we know, boys and girls, that addition and subtraction go together, right? When you're missing a piece, hold on. Okay, take a look at the shape, okay? This shape says you have one side, two sides, three sides, four sides, five sides, six sides. That means we should have 6 lengths, which would give me a total perimeter of 21 inches. We have this side, which is 4. We have 7. We have 2. We have 3. We have 2. And then we have a question mark, which represents the unknown. If you remember all the work that we talked about, unknown, when we don't know the missing number, it's called the unknown, right? So we have an unknown side right here. But I know that all of these combined will give me a total of 21. So in order to find this missing piece, here are your steps. We're going to add up the pieces that we have and then subtract that from 21. So what do I have here? We're going to add what we have and then subtract it from 21. So 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So now my missing piece is not 18. My missing piece is going to be my total, which is 21 minus 18 to find this missing piece, right? And I could do this 2 ways. I could say 18, 19, 20, 21, right? Or I could sit here and subtract. 1 minus 8, we can't do that, so we exchange. That becomes 11. 11 minus 8 equals 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. My answer is 3. So my missing piece, boys and girls, I'm going to say n equals 3. And now if I plug this in over here, we knew that all the sides added up equals 21. If I added 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 and got 18. Now if I add my last side, 18 plus 3, it's going to equal 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 1 is 2 equals 21. 21. So n equals 3. Okay? Let's look at this one. Here we have a triangle, okay? So we know that perimeter means we add up all the sides. And in this case, we're going to get 18. So I have a 5, I have 5, and now I have blank. So 5 plus 5 is 10. My total perimeter is 18. So to find my missing piece, I have to subtract 18 minus 10 to get my missing piece. 18 minus 10 equals 8. And then if I put that over here to add up both sides, I could check my work. 5 plus 5 is 10. plus 8 equals 18. 18, 18. So remember, as long as we remember the perimeter is at all sides, and then in order to find a missing piece, we have to subtract from the total perimeter. Now let's look at a little bit trickier, okay? This one, boys and girls, top one, says a total perimeter is 24. Where did my marker go? Oh, there it is. My total perimeter is 24. This side's 8, this side's 8. Now I'm missing 2 sides. But remember, what do we know about a rectangle? We know a rectangle has opposite sides that are equal. So the top and the bottom are equal, and that means these two are equal. So now it's gonna be a little bit different. Now I'm still gonna add up my 2 sides, my known sides. So 8 plus 8, and that's kind of mental math, because you know, but I like to show all my work. 8 plus 8 equals 16, okay? And now we're still going to subtract. We have 24, right? Minus 16. 4 minus 6, we can't do that, right? So that becomes 1, becomes 14. 14 minus 6 equals 8. So now, this work is tricky. Instead of 8 being here, it can't be there. I have to now split this 8 into 2. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to divide, right? I'm going to divide 8 divided by 2 to find out what my lengths are here. And you guys, so if I did 8 divided by 2 equals n, you guys have multiple pathways to solve this. You can do related facts, you can do circles and dots, you can do any method you choose. I'm gonna do a method for you. I'm gonna do equal groups just so that you remember how to solve this. So I have 2 groups, right? And then I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So that means that this equals 4 and this equals 4. And I could check my work, right? I can say 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 equals 24. Okay? So this was a little bit trickier only because we gave you these 2 sides, but you were missing those 2, and the extra step here was division, right? We had to divide when we subtracted by 2. Okay? And the same thing with this one. This one, they gave us no lengths. Look down here. This is a square. So now remember what happens when you have a square. Here, we have a square. That means all sides are equal. That means whatever this side is, right? This length is equal to this length, to this length, to this length. They're all equal. In this case, boys and girls, I have a total of 16. So, how can I find the length of a side if when I add them all up, this plus this plus this plus this is going to equal 16? Well, I know I have 4 sides, right? I have a total of 16. 16 divided by 4 equals n. Now for this, I could do repeated subtraction, right? I could say 16 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. I'm gonna do equal groups again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that this is equal 4, 4, 4, 4. Because, remember, I'm going to add up all my sides, it's going to equal 16. And in this case, why did I divide by 4? Because I have 4 equal sides. So each side equals 4. Okay? So, remember, when you have your total, you subtract to find the missing sides. So this one is your DOL. you have a three-sided figure, you have a triangle, okay? The total, that means this side plus this side plus this side is going to be 22 inches. We don't know this side. So right now you're going to tell me how I'm going to find my missing side. So N equals, right? That's your DOL. Remember, you have to add up and then subtract from what they give you, and that's going to find your missing side. And then from there, you're going to work on 11.3, think central. And then we're just going to keep on moving along, okay? So I hope this video is helpful. And only a couple more videos left, boys and girls, and that's it, right? So perimeter, add all sides. When you were missing a side, you have to add up what we have and then subtract from your total, okay? Have a good day. Bye.